Transform your oral health with this breakthrough dental secret.
Struggling with bad breath, yellow teeth, or poor oral hygiene despite your best efforts?
It's not your fault.
Discover a revolutionary spice ritual that's 15 times more effective than brushing and 23 times more effective than flossing.
Backed by a 2024 Biomedicines study of 42,020 participants, this easy at-home solution banishes bad breath, eliminates tooth decay, and rejuvenates gums effortlessly.
Harvard and Stanford scientists call it the biggest dental breakthrough yet.
Why your oral hygiene isn't working?
A groundbreaking 2024 study reveals the hidden factors behind persistent bad breath, yellow teeth, and gum issues.
Turns out brushing and flossing might not be enough.
What's the secret?
This spice ritual harnesses the power of an everyday spice to
banish bad breath and tooth decay,
strengthen teeth and renew gums,
work 15 times better than brushing and 23 times better than flossing.
How does it work?
This simple, DIY solution takes just minutes and can be done from the comfort of your home.
Scientists and dentists worldwide are stunned by its effectiveness. No expensive treatments or harsh chemicals needed.
Easy, natural, and safe for daily use.
Take charge of your oral health today with a solution that's as simple as it is effective. Act now. Your fresh breath and brighter smile await. Visit thewellnessspark.com to watch the video and discover what dentists don't tell you.